Today we're going to do the drawing for the 10K giveaway. So we're going to give away two $100 gift certificates, one for Bar Mill Scale Model Works and one for Star Hobby. So let's get going with this right now. I'm going to use this hat and I'm going to shake everything up and draw from that hat right there. I'm Tom Kovichak, and this is Tom's Trains and Things. We just recently hit the 10K subscriber mark, and I had a giveaway for the past week. It went from Monday to Monday, and it just ended this past Monday. So I had everybody send an email to me, and here is the entries right here on these two pages right here. What I'm going to do is cut all these up and put them in this hat right here. And let me remind you of what we're going to give away. The first thing is a $100 gift certificate from Bar Mill Scale Model Works, courtesy of Art Fahey. He donated the $100 gift certificate for this giveaway. And the second one is a $100 giveaway for Star Hobby in Annapolis, Maryland, where you could shop online at shopstarhobby.com. So that's the two of them. So let me cut these things up, and we're going to have the drawing right here. And before I even start with this, I got to change the blade on here because I know this blade right here is not going to work because I've been using it for so long. So we're going to cut it long ways with the blade and maybe get the scissors to get the short way. Let's put this in here like we always do. Put that away. Alright, we'll cut the long one, and hopefully, let me see if the lines are on the same length. Okay, so we can do both sheets at one time. Going this way. Alright. Right there. Okay. Gonna do this side right here. Now when I go crossways, I'm not going to do both at the same time because it may not be in the same order, or may not be the same thickness of the things. And what I did was I put it on an XL, not an XL, but yeah, see, there's a little bit difference. So I'll cut this one, and then I'll do the rest of them with the scissors. I'll cut the top and bottom, and then do the rest with the scissors. But I use OpenOffice.org because it's just as good as Microsoft's Excel spreadsheet. Okay, we're good to go on this side here. Alright, so we got that part out of the way. Now all I have to do is take the scissors and go that way, fold them up, and do the drawing. Okay, I have them like this. There we go. And that one was just a little bit off. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do these individually so I don't cut into the people's names. And this will take a while, and I'm not going to make you sit through all of these, cutting all of these up. But here's how I'm doing it right here. Just cutting each name out individually. I'm going to fold them in half and then put them into this hat right here. 5 minutes later, and I'm still cutting names. I'm starting on the second sheet now. So this is taking a while. Well, here they go. All of them. And I counted them up to make sure that they weren't sticking together like I folded two together. So we're going to put them in the hat right now. and put all these in a hat. But before I draw them, let me get this out of the way so I don't cut my hat up. I'm going to show you some of the bar mills kits that I have to do yet. I like doing these bar mill kits. In fact, I did a series on the Gravely building, starting from start to finish on it. But here's one, Higginbottom's Coal and Sand. This is a $100 one. I got it for $60 at Zitnick's Trains. Here's another one, Dock House at Gundy Harbor. This will go good with my water feature down here, where I have a couple of other smaller buildings that'll go with it. Willie's, I think Willie's, and then the Fish House and some other things. And here's another one, Shaw Ridge Equipment and Supply. And this will go back here on the Rock Creek area. And so will this one here, the Higginbottom's Coal and Sand. So those are three of the ones that I have to put together. I have a billboard somewhere. They also do billboards. So here's one more of the smaller kits. It's Trailways. Comes in a little plastic deal here. That's what I have bar mills. And let's do this. You can see they're all in here right here. And so this first one that I'm going to draw is for the bar mills kits. And it goes to Jimmy Hamilton. Okay, Jimmy, I'll be sending you an email notifying you that you have won, and we'll set up how you could get your gift certificate at Bar Mills Scale Model Works. Now, this next one is for Star Hobby. Now, I've been going to Star Hobby for over 20 years when I lived in the Annapolis area. They started out this real small shop. I mean, it was no wider than that. I'm exaggerating, but it's one of those real small in the strip mall things. It was up on a second floor, and you had to jump over boxes and everything to see everything. I mean, they were overstocked from the very beginning, and they eventually got bigger and bigger till their final destination right now along on Whitehall Road, right before you get to the Bay Bridge, crossing the Chesapeake Bay. If you're in Maryland anywhere, you can stop by and see them, Star Hobby, on Whitehall Road. That's the road, that's the access road running along Route 50, where, from what my daughter says, they have cops there in the summertime on the weekend to catch you if you're going down that way to avoid the traffic. Okay, here's the next one from Star Hobby. And this one goes to Joe G. All right. So there we go, Joe. I'll be sending you an email. On this one here, I talked to the son, and he said that, you know, all I had to do was give him your name and phone number and everything, and he'll take care of it. But when I went to pay for it, I talked to his dad, and he said, oh, we don't do it that way. So he has to send me the certificate, and I have to send you the certificate. So it's going to work that way. So those are the two winners. Jimmy Hamilton for the Bar Mills Scale Model Works, $100 gift certificate there for that. And Joe G, $100 gift certificate for Star Hobby. And you can go to shopstarhobby.com and you can get anything there. And he says he does a lot of orders from the West, because for some reason they can't get paint out there. He does a lot of paint, Tamiya paints. So that's it for now. Those are the two winners, Jimmy Hamilton and Joe G. I'll be contacting you by email sometime later on today. So everybody else right here, well, I'll keep your names for another drawing sometime. So, until the next time, we'll see you. I'm going to use this hat right here to do the drawing, see? Oh no!